Hey everybody, Kyle here with Bigger Chrome Shop, bringing you another product spotlight. Today we are taking a look at our Renegade Mini-Kits. What's great about these is that they're compact. You can take them anywhere with you. They'll fit under a seat or any small space. So we have a few different kinds here. The first one we're going to be looking at is the stainless polishing and cutting kit. So this one has two wheels in it, one red, one pink, one for cutting and one for polishing. It also has a bottle of Rebel Red in there, and as well as some red microfiber towels and some red microfiber prep pads. The second one here is the same exact thing for aluminum. So there's a cutting and a buffing wheel in there as well, one orange, one yellow. Then it's got a bar of brown AAA, a bar of green rouge, and then as well as the Rebel Red and some safety flanges. So these two are more just for cleaning and a little bit of upkeep. So in the grab and go kit here, we have a bottle of Rebel Red for polishing. There's a bottle of spray wax, Rebel Savage all-purpose cleaner, Rebel Spot Assassin, which is for like watermarks, and then there's a bottle of Rebel rubber and vinyl, and that's going to be like for your dash and steering wheels, all that. And last but not least, we have here the Wash, Shine, and Protect mini kit. This one is more for detailing. It's going to have a bottle of Rebel California Love in there. That's going to be an air freshener. The Rebel Money Shot. Another bottle of Rebel Savage all-purpose cleaner. A bottle of spray wax. And then a bottle of rubber and vinyl. So yeah, if you don't see what you like here, you want one of their larger kits, you can definitely check out our website at biggerchromeshop.com. Make sure to leave a like on our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and thanks for watching today. Thanks, guys.